Changing your daily limit on Reforge can help you manage your usage effectively. Follow these steps to adjust your daily limit. Step 1. Login. Access your Reforge account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon or menu, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open the settings options. Step 3. Find daily limit options. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Reforge to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Adjust your limit. Within the daily limit options, you will see a field to enter your desired limit. Input the new limit you wish to set and ensure it meets any specified requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your daily limit, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and apply the new daily limit. By following these steps, you can easily change your daily limit on Reforge. Make sure to review your settings regularly to ensure they align with your needs.